I'm Mark Wilson with Long & Foster Realtors, and I help people realize the dream of home ownership. I help people buy and sell homes throughout all of Northern Virginia.
Mark Wilson from Long & Foster is amazing.
He helped us avoid making bad financial investments, but best of all, he remains calm and objective throughout the stressful process of buying and selling a home.
Many sellers contact me because I have a reputation as one of the first and best video marketing realtors in the Northern Virginia area. In addition to representing sellers, I also represent buyers. Many realtors use video for just home tours. I also use it to show off the neighborhood. I chose to work with Long & Foster because of their reputation and the wealth of resources they bring to the home buying process. I recently had the honor of working with a second-generation client. I sold the mom a house, and then I sold the daughter a house. I know you have a lot of choices when it comes to choosing a realtor. When you want a no-pressure realtor to put you in the home of your dreams, come and see me.